Here's ATC90 Part 2 rebuild. Here I got the engine all cleaned up. I got the gasket kit. It's just going back together right now. It's all clean. There's the side cover. There's the clutch side cover. That's the transmissions going together. Nice clean cases, look great. There's the gas tank. Got the carb and the bag there. Here's something I bought for it. There it is. Nice K&N style air filter. It's kind of a no-name brand. Just came in this box here. So that was like $15, a lot cheaper than a real K&N. Probably works just as good. And that's part 2. It's just an update on the engine. Thanks for watching.